Hey everyone, it's 2:01 p.m. on Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. And right here is a 52-inch Emerson 1895 series second generation. And it is a successor of sorts to the Emerson Legend 1, which was a successor to the ever popular 1895 of the 1980s that was manufactured throughout then. And personally, this is more reminiscent of the 1895 than the Legend 1. And I think what Emerson did was revive this model circa 1995 as sort of a 100-year anniversary to of their debut in 1895 when they were founded. But this is probably one of the rarest Emersons from the 1990s in my collection, and that I have stumbled across. And it later evolved into the Legend 2, of which I have a few. Two are in polished brass. One's white like this, but the big difference between this one and the Legend 2 is that the blade arms are shaped like the letter D. And Emerson brought back the more heart-shaped blade arm like its 1980s predecessor had. And let's have a look at the blades while we're at it. It has more Casablanca-esque blades, as you can see right there. And like Casablanca, the blades mount to a rubber flywheel. I don't think you can see it too well in here. And also, the blade arms interlock when you bolt them onto the flywheel. And the switch housing is detachable. You can unscrew it right there with that screw you see right there. There's 3 of those. And there's the Emerson logo, the 90s Emerson logo, that more bow tie logo. And let's have a look at the vents. And they are definitely more reminiscent of the 1980s version, which was 4-blade only. This one can do both 4 or 5 blades, but I prefer this one with 5 because how often do you see these with 5 blades? There's a sideband. I was able to peel the sticker off it. And there's the canopy, which bolts. You screw it in with the bottom via that nut right there. It came just as you see it, and I got it from fellow collector Andrew Wu at Fanimation of March 2019. And Andrew, if you're watching, thanks again for this fan. I really enjoy it. But however, I had to make some major adjustments to it. Number one, I had to rebuild it by putting a new motor in it. And the motor came off a premium I got on the same trip from Aaron Tarza. I hung the premium for a little while, but then it just wobbled, and I decided, I'm going to take that one apart. I'm going to rebuild the white premium eventually, because I have a spare motor for that, but I just thought, since it was, convenient, I was bored, so I thought, why not revive this one, as it had a wonky flywheel, plus the bearings were extremely stiff, and I could free it up via WD-40 and zoom spout like I did for the Casablanca veranda I showed in another video, but I thought I'd try my hand at rebuilding it, so that's what I did. And let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? It's all 4 lights, but however, it's a 3-way light kit. It's off. Just one side, opposite side, all. Okay, and now, before I rev up the fan, let me show you the Emerson pendant. Come on, don't be shy. I don't know how well you can see it's got the Emerson bow tie logo right there. Okay, we're gonna rev it up. But before we do that, there's the reverse switch right there. Okay, first on low. It has a nice aesthetic low to it, which is nice. It's awesome. And I got LEDs in there, by the way, so they put out a decent amount of light for this room. And as you can see, the fan contrasts well with the blue walls and the crown molding. Okay, medium. Fan's running on medium. I'm feeling a good breeze by it. This is on par with most high speeds of direct drive fans, especially ones made today, like Harbor Breeze, Hampton Bay is pretty much the top speed you could expect from those. And that being said, let's put up to the real high, shall we? Oh yeah, she's really cranking out air this time. And I did have to balance the blades on it. So it runs very stable. Cranks out a ton of air just like an Emerson K55 fan should. Okay. Gonna do spin down. This is an awesome fan. I really love it. Bearings are really good in this one too, so I don't know the exact age of the premium motor that's in there, but it runs super well. Almost as well as the 1895 I had in here, its predecessor, the white and polished brass one. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.